Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled on the edge of a grand forest, there lived an old carpenter named Eli. Eli was known far and wide for his remarkable craftsmanship. He could carve intricate designs from the simplest pieces of wood, turning them into beautiful furniture and toys that the townspeople adored. But more than his skills, Eli was cherished for something far greater, his unwavering honesty. One crisp autumn morning, while he was out gathering wood in the forest, Eli came across a peculiar tree. Its bark shimmered like gold in the sunlight, and its leaves rustled with a melody that seemed almost magical. Tempted by its beauty, Eli thought perhaps he could carve something extraordinary from this unique wood and sell it for a handsome sum. Taking careful strokes with his axe, Eli soon gathered enough of the golden wood to make a fine table. When it was finished, the table was the most magnificent piece he had ever crafted. The wood glistened as if the sun had been captured within its grain, and everyone in the village came to marvel at it. Hearing of his exquisite creation, a wealthy merchant from the nearby town offered Eli a small fortune for the table. The coins he clinked together sang a tempting tune, whispering promises of a cozy retirement and comfort for the rest of his days. Yet, Eli hesitated. Deep in his heart, he knew the wood wasn't his to harvest. That night, Eli tossed and turned, wrestling with his thoughts. Finally, he decided he must return the golden wood to the forest. At dawn, he carefully disassembled the table and loaded the pieces onto his cart. As he pushed through the forest, he felt at peace despite the treasure he was giving up. To Eli's surprise, as he placed the wood back onto the forest floor, the shimmering tree reappeared, its bark as radiant as ever. Out of nowhere, a fairy appeared, her wings glowing like moonbeams. Eli, the fairy spoke to Eli gently, "You have shown true honesty and integrity. Few would have returned what was not theirs." With a wave of her hand, the fairy blessed Eli with endless wood for his crafts, wood more beautiful and abundant than he could ever imagine. Eli's business flourished beyond his wildest dreams. He never accepted more than fair payment for his work, and people came from far and near to buy his creations. He lived a happy and fulfilled life, always finding joy in each piece he crafted. And so, in the village on the edge of the forest, the tale of Eli the honest carpenter was told time and time again, teaching everyone who heard it that honesty truly is the best policy.